Good evening from a very wet EPCOT, Walt Disney World. We're here after work today, so it's a very brief visit, but it's been a minute. I wanted to walk around and soak up some of the Disney. Spaceship Earth, it's down. But I have not seen the Moana stuff here yet. Maybe that'll be open? I know I'm a bad Disney vlogger, but not really a Disney vlogger. And I used to come to the parks here all the time at night, and just don't do that anymore. Honestly, usually too busy with work, and I don't like coming by myself. With that said, Mary's on a work trip, so here I am. Oh, it's open. Let's go check it out. Oh, the irony. The cycle begins. Do not drink the water. Also, find your lost kids. Oh, you can touch the strings of water. Exciting. It's a stream. Stand on the spot and wave to the stream. Let's do this. Or maybe not. Is it going to work? Maybe it doesn't work that well in the rain. Rise, water. Take two. Ah, it did a thing. I feel like it's just timed, because it just keeps going. It's not doing anything, and I feel like an idiot. Then on to the wetland. I guess this is it for the wetland. And this, onto the spring. Ah, more water shooting up. Stand on the thing and hold your arm out. Oh, rise higher. Oh, I am soaked now. Oh goodness. And if the sound of water inspires you, onto the land, which is shaped by water. Actually, there's a dry path and a not so dry path. Let's do it. Oh, neat trick.
You want to go through the water?
Oh, and onward to the lake. Not before you pass by the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. And there it is, the money shot of the evening. Well, I think that concludes Moana. We're on to the ocean. Oh my. Oh snap. Water is shooting everywhere. Oh my. Onto the sky where it is super foggy. Well, the seas with Nemo. also closed. Guess we could cycle through some rides, go out through the land. The one bonus of coming in the rain, it's pretty empty. Can do a little Soarin over California, 15-minute wait, pretty much walk on. There's nobody here. Still nobody here. I can smell it already.
This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Well, Soarin over California was pretty awesome. It's been a minute since I've seen that film. The speed of the frame rate was a little wonky at times. Ooh, it's like we're on a boat ride. Outside. It's been a minute since I've been in here at night. And it is too soon in the year for Christmas decorations. Celebrate with chocolate. So they do have a bunch of the lights out here for Christmas, but it's just not fully decorated yet.
One day, many of these
Hashtag soon. I see you. Holy cow, that's a lot of fish in a very small spot. We should complain about SeaWorld. More Christmas! Christmas! It's cool.
And millet pests.
Look at those pumpkins.
We are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pests.
Well, the rain has pretty much stopped. Test track opened back up. It's only a 15-minute wait, but from over here to get there, I'm sure it'll shoot back up again. We'll go say hello to our friend Figment first. In the reception. So Figment does meet here during the day now, but that ends at like 3:45. We're well past that time.
Oh, can I go too?
This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination. Imagination loose, and anything can happen.
What is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. Imagination is a blast! We're just that far from me and you.
So I wish Figment met a little later in the evening, but alas, that's not the case. Oh my, look at these Figment ears. The Christmas tree is up. Check it out. Christmas. The sound of test track in the background. And so it is drizzling outside, so I'm thinking this is going to be kind of painful and wet. We'll do it anyway. Science. It has been a real minute since I've been on this ride, that's for sure. And I'm doing single rider, so I think it bypasses all of this stuff, which is glorious. And I'm bypassing all of these people.
Lines perform under challenging
Welcome to
weather
Soarin
and service
1.0.
conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
How about a little mission space? Oh, it's empty in here too. It's glorious.
Or proceed to the advanced training
Look at this.
which offers alternative space training.
I'm gonna fly this spaceship by myself. 'Cause someone's gotta do it.
Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the word
That's
go
fast.
for launch,
We've been
the
organized into
success of your
teams.
mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom.
What?
And in a few minutes, I'll give you your specifics. We'll take you west across North America, Asia, Europe, and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it.
You're gonna love it.
Okay, Navigator. You'll be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary.
That's you.
And firing thrusters for your descent. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger
guess
first
that's me.
stage separation. You'll also be triggering the landing sequence. Commander, you will be responsible for
hope you
activating the
do
flight
well.
sequence and for activating manual control if needed. Engineer, you will activate the flight cameras
It's up
when
to
we
you,
reach
buddy.
altitude. You will also extend the wing.
Here we go.
A reminder, Commander.
How you
Your
guys doing,
assignments
team?
are to activate flight sequence, and for landing, activate manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder. You will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Here we go. I'll just do it all
Computer
myself.
override initiated. Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now. Computer override initiated. Engineer, activate flight camera. Now. Computer override initiated. Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, that's 49.
Oh,
crossing paths with another X2. Just launched from the Pacific.
Oh.
Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean.
It goes on for miles and miles.
You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon. We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad. Okay,
Oh dear.
Listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now. Computer override initiated. Navigator, initiate descent. Now. Computer override. Rocket fired. Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now. Computer override. Wings extended. Commander, activate manual control. Now. Computer override activated. All right.
We're coming in hot. Oh my. We're not gonna make it! We're not gonna make it! We made it!
Clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the astronaut.
Thank you. Okay. The great space race is kind of empty. Guardians is still doing return groups, so that's a no for tonight. Scratch that. They saw me standing there, so just come on in. I've been pixie dusted. And it looks pretty empty in here too. Empty. There's only like 4 people in front of me so far.
Wait, who said that?
It was Rocket.
Well, don't believe anything Rocket says.
Ooh, there's hardly anybody here.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Where is everybody? And away we go.
New vehicle.
We'll be right behind.
this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax! Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Noise.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done? I think we jumped back.
It's about time. Of course it is about time. We haven't campaigned, but not for long. Guys, we need these things.
You're all heroes.
Look, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Of course, they're playing Kiss out here, but not on the ride. So I never realized this thing actually makes noise. And now we head to the exit. All right, so EPCOT, we're getting out of here. It was a quick trip, so just about 3 hours here, and got a lot of the major rides done. The only thing that we didn't do is head to the other side of the park to do Ratatouille or the Frozen ride, and we didn't get around to the different countries, but it was kind of curious, or I was kind of curious to see just how many people would show up in the rain. And this is what happens. You come on vacation, you can't predict the weather. In Florida, it rains a lot, and it was raining considerably for a while, and it was empty. So that's a bonus. You know, most people head back to their hotels, or they don't show up if they're not staying at a hotel, and you can get on the rides really quick. As you can see, they're just basically walking on everything here tonight, to the point of, even with Guardians, of them asking people outside if they want to ride, and, you know, get the ability and get right on the ride. I'm glad I finally got to check out Moana, although I don't know what to say without making it sound completely negative about Moana. I think it's an experience or something to do in the park. I almost think it might have been better served in like Animal Kingdom than EPCOT, but you know, there's a couple things. I can't believe that it took as long as it did to build what's there and what's part of that thing, because it's basically just kind of magic fountains, and I've seen magic fountains in other places, including like shopping malls, but it's incredibly underwhelming. Let me leave it at that. Like, it's hard to believe that the same people, or the people that work as Imagineers for Disney, and can come up with like Guardians of the Galaxy, or even like Space 220 as a restaurant and these other things, like, and then they come up with Dancing Water for the most part, and it's I think it's kind of a letdown for me. You know, that's just my opinion as far as what I expect from Disney. But again, great night out. Very much missing coming to the park here tonight with Mary, because now I've just become accustomed to, you know, there's a reason why you go to the parks, and that's to enjoy time with your friends or family, and I had neither here tonight except for you guys, and that's virtual. But I'm gonna get out of here for now. So thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. See you guys.